So we are taking the second problem here. So y is equal to what? Sine x. Sine 3x we are taking here. Okay, so sine x Maclaurin series we have already studied. So we'll be doing here two methods in order to solve this particular problem. One is the formula based method, other is using the sine x Maclaurin series. We can directly substitute that there and get the value. Okay, that we will be doing. First, formula based method. Here formula is given by what? F of x equal to this entire thing is given. Now here some of the textbook they might use this as what? F of x is nothing but y, which is given in the question. F of 0 can be represented as what? Y of 0. This can be represented as y dash of 0 and so on. Okay, it's the same thing. F dash of 0, y dash of 0 is the same thing. Okay. Now the first step is to find what? F of 0, for which we need f of x. So f of x is given in the question itself, which is y. So this particular thing is y is equal to what? F of x. So f of x is how much it is given? Sine 3x it is given. So f of 0 will be how much? In place of x substitute 0. So sine 3 into 0 is sine 0. What is sine 0 value? 0. Next, f dash of 0 I need. For that first you have to find f dash of x. So f dash of x will be how much? Now f dash of x basic meaning is what? Differentiation of particular function with respect to x. Which function I should differentiate? F of x I have to differentiate. So sine 3x differentiation. See, what is sine x differentiation? Differentiation of sine x is cos x. Okay. So this particular thing, sin x differentiation is cos x, but in place of x 3x is sitting, so I have to differentiate what? The 3x value. So how much it will be? Cos 3x as it is. Differentiation of 3x is how much? 3. So it will be 3 cos 3x. Now I need to find f dash of 0. So in place of x I have to substitute 0. So it will be 3 into cos 0. How much it is? Cos 0 value is 1. So 3 into 1 is 3. Done. Next, f double dash of x. Now what I need to differentiate? I need to differentiate the previously calculated value, which is f dash of x. So f dash of x, if you differentiate, you will be getting f double dash of x. So this part I should differentiate. So 3 is a constant which should be kept outside. 3 cos 3x differentiation. So you might have studied the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, right? So here it will be minus sin x, but in place of x I am having 3x. So differentiate that particular 3x. So you'll be getting 3 as it is, minus sign is there. So minus 3 sin 3x into differentiation of 3x is how much? 3. So you'll be getting minus 9 sin 3x, right? Now what is the f double dash of 0 value? Substitute in place of x 0. So it will be minus 9 into sine 0 is what? 0. So it will be, you will be getting 0 as the answer. Next we'll go for the third derivative. In some particular question they will be giving till which you have to do. So fourth derivative up to fourth derivative up to fifth derivative. So we'll try to do up to 4 or 5. Okay. So f triple dash, we have to differentiate which particular function? This last function that you have to differentiate. So minus 9 is a constant, keep it outside. Sin 3x differentiation will be what? Cos 3x into differentiation of 3x. So it will be minus 9 as it is, cos 3x as it is. Differentiation of 3x is how much? 3. So 3 and this thing I'll multiply, right? So 3 and 9 is how much? 27. So I can directly write minus 27 cos 3x. Here I need to find triple dash of 0, which is equal to, in place of x substitute 0. So it will be minus 27 into cos 0 is how much? 1. So it will be minus 27. Next I need to find out the fourth derivative. Again I have to take the previous value. This I'll differentiate. So minus 27 is a constant. cos 3x differentiation. What is cos x differentiation? Minus sin x. So it will be minus sin 3x. In place of x we have 3x. So again differentiate. So here how much I'll be getting? Here minus sign is there, here minus sign is there. So it will become plus sign. So plus 27 sine 3x into 3x differentiation is 3. So you multiply this and this. 27 into 3 is how much? 81. So directly you substitute there the value as how much? 81. Now we have to find the 0 value, that is equal to 81 into sine 0. Sine 0 is what? 0. So entire thing becomes 0. Now one more derivative we'll do and stop it. So fifth derivative will go for. So previously calculated value we are having 81 sine 3x. So 81 as it is. Sine x differentiation is cos x into differentiation of 3x. So you'll be getting how much? 81 as it is into cos 3x. Differentiation of 3x is 3. 81 into 3 is how much? 243 into cos 3x. Now we need to find the fifth derivative 0 value. So in place of cos x I'll put 0, cos 3x, x value 0. So you'll be getting 343 since cos 0 is what? 1. So we have got all the values. Now we have to focus on which values? F of 0, f dash of 0, f double dash, triple dash, fourth derivative, fifth derivative. Okay. All this value has to be utilized in the formulas. We have to substitute there. So here we have to substitute the value of what? F dash of 0, which is equal to what? 0. So it will become f of x value will become how much? 0 plus f dash of 0 we are having the value of 3. Now here x is also sitting, so you have to multiply with x plus f double dash of 0, which is 0, 0 into x square divided by 2 factorial plus triple dash we are having how much? 27 minus 27. So this I'll write it as how much? Minus 27. X cube divided by 3 factorial. Next, power 4 we are having here 0. So it will be 0 x power 4 divided by 4 factorial plus fifth derivative 243. 243 into x power 5 by 5 factorial, right? Plus so on. Because all the next terms also will be there, we have not calculated. Now we have to simplify this particular function. So which will be equal to f of x equal to 0 we can eliminate. Okay. Now what is left out? Starting term 3x. This also eliminate. What is left out? Minus 27. 3 factorial is how much? 3 into 2, right? So minus 27 x power 3 divided by 3 factorial is 3 into 2. Now 3 ones are 3, 9s are, plus this part is also gone, 0 term, plus 243 x power 5. 5 factorial can be written as what? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now the 243 table, which table? 3 table we can cancel. So 3 8s are, 1s are. So what is left out now? So the final answer of f of x, which is given as the question was sine 3x equal to 3x minus 9x cube by 2 plus 81 x power 5 by 20 into 4 40, right? Plus so on, plus so on. Okay, this will be the final answer. Okay, now thing is that we'll go for the second step also, second method which is basically to directly substitute the values. What was that method? See, we had the sin x Maclaurin series previously also been calculated, which is given by x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial minus x power 7 by 7 factorial plus so on. Right? This was the basic sin x Maclaurin series. Now we are having in this particular question sin 3x. That means in place of x I am having 3x. So just substitute in place of x 3x. So wherever you see x, put 3x minus 3x whole cube by 3 factorial plus 3x power 5 by 3 factorial minus, now this 7 factorial thing we didn't calculate, x power 7 we didn't calculate, so we'll leave it here. Okay, so we'll leave it here because we have to match the answer as well, so I'm not calculating that particular thing. Now which is equal to, so sin 3x value will become how much, 3x as it is equal to, now here 3 cube, how much is 3 cube, 27, so minus 27 x power 3 divided by 3 into 2 plus 3 power 5 is 243 x power 5 by 3 factorial is 3, sorry, this is should be 5 factorial, right? So this is 5 factorial, so it should be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 again same thing, 81. So what is left out? The final answer can be written as what? Sin 3x equal to 3x, this is gone, 9. So minus 9 x cube by 2 plus 81 x power 5 by 20, sorry, 40 plus so on. Okay, so if you match this answer and this answer, so what you understood from this? So this particular thing and this particular thing is exactly same. So what I'm trying to tell is that if you already know the series of sin x, basic series, e power x, sin x, cos x, you can substitute that particular value and get the answer as well. Okay, so it depends on marks also. If it is given for 5 marks, 6 marks and all, it is better for you to do this kind of steps.